What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I want to bring you guys another meme coin that I think has a little bit of potential and already has shown that potential in the form of growth that I've seen before this video even has come out. But I want to talk about that growth. I want to talk about the meme coin. I want to talk about where it's built on and the meaning of that. But we're going to be talking about Tron Bull. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out any of the links for Tron, feel free to do so. Or Tron Bull, feel free to do so. Those links will be down in the description, where you guys can look at the website, you can look at the Twitter account, you can look at the chart, all the things that you guys need to see. You'll be able to see that on there. So feel free to check that out in the description there. But Tron Bull website looks what I would think it would look like. Looks good, right? But we're talking about the position here as an investment. If we were understanding what's the kind of purpose behind this right here, is literally to be the largest meme coin on Tron, right? You have large meme coins on Ethereum. You have large meme coins on Binance Smart Chain, large meme coins on CRO, on Terra Luna Classic, which is, you can say that that's, you have a meme coin there, but you have many meme coins in so many different places. Actually, you don't really have a large meme coin on Terra Luna Classic, not that I know of. We'll have to look into that a little bit. But you do have some on. You have Pepe and you have Shib on Ethereum. You even have Brett on Base. Trying to think of all the other chains. Solana, you have Whiff and Bonk. So you have all these meme coins that are kind of taking over the space or taking over those chains, and leading them into success, meaning that they're worth $1 billion+. And that's really the goal here, is to be worth $1 billion+ and be a major factor on, Tron. So Tron Bull, the symbol for encouragement. Tron Bull is revolutionizing the meme coin space with its unstoppable bullish energy. Join the charge and ride the wave of the future in crypto. So you can buy now, and the ways that you buy, there's a simpler way to buy where they do have exchanges, right? You can buy on Bitmart, buy on OKX, buy on MEXC, LBank, CoinW, LA Token, and so on and so forth, right? XT.com is a big one as well. Their tokenomics, zero tax, their LP is burned, 1 billion total supply, and the chain is Tron. So that's pretty much straightforward, straight to the point. If you go into the Twitter account, you're going to see they have 4,347 followers right now, and growing within that. But you do see that it is early stages here. But even though it is early stages, you get into the meat and potatoes into everything, and you're going to see that it has already had its success lately. So I want to show you guys something quick and just go through this. Just give you a little blurb of behind the Tron Bull, because it is the mascot for Tron. So behind Tron Bull is a mosaic of 4 adventurous stories set in the rainforest, moon, desert, and cyberpunk universe, each of which symbolizes its own unique adventure for the mascot. Together, the series becomes an epic adventure story. We believe everyone can find inspiration in their own adventure. Rainforest, one day in a modern world, an unknown object lands on Earth. Tron Bull sets off on an arduous journey and discovers TRX, a token heralding an upcoming revolution. Desert. Tron Bull has dreamt for a celestial adventure, and finally set off to the desert with its TRX to test the token's powers, but accidentally loses it all along the way. The moon. Tron Bull recovers its lost TRX, but also discovers a mysterious link between TRX and the moon and embarks on an epic adventure. Cyberpunk. After landing on the moon, Tron Bull uncovers a futuristic city with the guidance of TRX and begins another marvelous journey of adventure and discovery. Just wanted to put that out there as kind of just like a blurb or give you some information behind the Tron Bull there, and you can see these images as you do see that there. You can go through a lot of this history, go through a lot of the things that they do have out there in the public official releases, especially when it comes to the mascot, the Tron mascot, which is the Tron Bull. Now, like I said, you have this level of interest where you have 4,747 followers, and it all depends on if you consistently post and all of that. That's what Twitter is about. But you can't fight the fact that you are seeing a massive market cap there, currently at a $165 million market cap. It does have $3.9 million worth of volume. And the good thing is you are seeing it slightly up on the day in the last 24 hours, which is something you don't, typically see in a down day, right? Today has been kind of last night was one of the most negative days that we've seen maybe in the last 2 weeks, I would say, especially since we saw everything kind of collapse down. So this is definitely outperforming a lot of the market as of right now. If we look at the last 7 days, it is down 3%. And really, that's all you have from those last couple of days that we are seeing this launch on CoinMarketCap. I believe there's more history to this as you go through Dex tools, or as you go through a place to where you can view it, Dex Screener, I think. But you'll be able to see that history before it gets on the CoinMarketCap. This is all obviously when it goes on CoinMarketCap there. If you look at the contract there, just want to see if we could find how many holders. You have 6,410 holders. So that's great. You're seeing, again, more and more holders there, more and more people that believe in this, and you'll probably see that consistently grow as you see this gain a ton there. Different places that you can buy it. Again, we talked about that and how you can buy it on Bitmart, how you can buy it on SunSwap, and different places there. You have 18 other pairings that you can purchase it. All of the supply is available right now. You're looking at 1 billion total coins. 100% is out there. This is self-reported, but from what I understand, 100% of the supply is actually out there. So Tron looks like, or Tron Bull looks like something it could be popular. It could be something that definitely gains you a lot. The goal is to get to $1 billion market cap and a lot further than that, and actually be the Tron mascot, meaning that you move along with Tron, not just moving because of the fact that it's a meme coin. Like, you have a meme coin and it has its worth, and whatever people believe it's going to get to, or whatever the goal is, that's what they get to. But when you talk about a mascot, or that can be a mascot, that can essentially move along with Tron. So Tron goes up to a $500 billion market cap. Here comes Tron Bull, also at 10% of that, maybe a $50 billion market cap, right? So anyways, let me know what you think about this play. Are you invested into it? Have you already seen this? Make sure you guys do your research, right? I don't want you guys to just invest into this just because I said, hey, this has some interesting points to it, right? Or it looks promising. I want you guys to do your own research into it, look and see who's talking about it, what type of moves they have made, all that type of information that you want to know before you make that investment. But if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and also check out all the links down below for Tron Bull. I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.